So what we're doing is we're making an active program. So switch to your edit mode. Yep. And if you press your DII directory button, that's where you can see what programs you've got. The one with the alpha SAN in front is the active program. Okay. So if you now go letter O, yeah, not to be confused with the number 0, and you type number 3 and press that lower arrow, yeah, and that's now made that your active program. If you press your directory button again, you'll see it active. Okay.